guys, so we're back. That Tile Chick YouTube channel.
That's your intro?
Yep.
You're great.
Alright guys, welcome back. That Tile Chick. We are on the bathroom remodel vlog part 5. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, we'll link them below in the comments. But on the last vlog episode, we did some drywall work here in the bathroom. We set the tub.
Yep. And now it's all dry. We screwed in the drain and all that other good stuff. So
what we're going to be doing today is, when we decided to demo the shower and convert it to a tub, we realized that it wasn't a standard size for a tub. So we bought a tub that fit almost just right for the space that we have here. But we are running into an issue here where the tub is just a little too small between this side and this side. So we have like a space of about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch where the tub isn't touching the studs. So what we're going to be doing today and for this episode is we're going to be sistering new studs to the existing studs here by the tub to make everything nice and tight against the tub.
okay, so this is what we mean when we say that there's space between the tub and the stud. You're supposed to put the wall board here, and it is supposed to go over this flange. So it's supposed to sit on your tub. And so you can see here that that is not possible because we are far away from the stud. So we have to fix that first. So I'm going to bring the stud flush to the tub flange down here. Right now I'm not worrying about plumb or anything. I just want this to be flush here. Okay, so you use your level and you just pretty much make adjustments as you go to the wood to bring it into plumb. So that would be between these two lines here. And then once you have that, you either move it out or move it in. Then you can secure your stud a little bit better. All right, guys, so now we have all of our studs in place and we got them nice and plumb. The next step is to secure the tub flange to the studs that we put in. So I'll show you an example. I made a mistake over here because I put this hole where the old stud is, but really I need to secure it to the new stud. So you can see we made a primary hole with a smaller bit, and then we did a manual, if you will, countersink, and we just screwed this in halfway so that this screw has a place to sit and it's flush with the flange. I don't have any countersink bits, so I'm doing it manually this way, and you can do it this way as well. You just have to be very careful. So I'm gonna go nice and slow, make my first hole through the flange and through the wood, not going all the way, and then the second one I'll put on the bigger bit and I'll make my little countersink hole there. So you can see now the screw just has a place for the head to rest. I might go a little bit, no, I think that's perfect. I'm just gonna do that to the rest. Come on, inspect. What's all this? What do you think? Okay, so we added all of our new studs to plumb up the walls. It's now flush with the flange for the tub. Okay, so there you have it. New studs are in place. We also showed you how to countersink your screws so that you can screw in your flange to the studs if you don't have a countersink bit. So we did all that. Studs are up, screws are in. The next step is really we have to do the plumbing over here. So that's what will be next on the next episode, and then we can put up the boards. So this is a really awesome way, instead of like shimming up your walls or anything, because you saw how fast it was and how easy it was, and it's super accurate. You don't have to play any guessing games. So, and I like it. It's just really neat.
Thanks for watching. Smash the like button.
Subscribe if you're not already. Follow along on our bathroom remodel vlog, shower to bath conversion backwards.
Absolutely backwards.
And we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.